And welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Finally. I've been really wanting to play it, but since I'm only doing 5 a week right now, I had to hold off like 4 whole days. And I couldn't even go back and do the side mission stuff because, wouldn't you know it, you can't leave this area until you beat the training course. So, yeah. Quick little note with the card collection thing update. I found a card pack which gave me cards, and they gave me enough duplicates, and it's kind of dumb because you just trade in 5 for whatever card you want. But I finished the Velden pack, so finishing it gives you a plus 5% chance drop rate for the cards to get these done faster. So kind of a shame that you just don't trade in the cards for a random card or something, or a pack of 3, or I don't know. It makes more sense to me that way. And then I bought this thing. I don't know what it does. It's the proton drum. So let's switch weapon. There you go. And then I upgraded the peroxider to have more range or something. I don't remember. Okay, enough battling. Do the course.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. Here, you'll work on your physical strength as well as your, thinking strength. Are you ready to get started? Then let's go!
I'm going, Quark. You can time me? Okay. Whoop, man, too far. I forget how long that jump is sometimes. Hopefully that resets the timer. There we go. Yep.
Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain.
Come on, Ratchet.
It's time to ascend to the Tower of Power. Here you must leap from platform to platform, but tread lightly. These pieces will move to one position, and then without so much as a warning, shift to an entirely different position.
Good. In case you're wondering why I'm trying to do this so quickly, it's because there's a trophy tied to this. And you know me with trophies.
Congratulations, you conquered the Tower of Power. Head to the main platform to claim your prize, Ranger.
So I would have gotten all those boxes and stuff, but I don't.
My training course not only builds muscle, it builds character.
I believe I got it. Let's just check it real quick. Ignore the loud, sudden noises. Yep. I have the DLC 2 theme for Call of Duty Zombies on, so that's why that music's so loud. If I remember it, I'll change it for the sake of recording purposes. But the music is really loud in that theme for some reason. So, I forget the name of the map of it. We'll get to Call of Duty Zombies at some point, probably.
Stuff you can do. Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you.
Because Call of Duty Zombies is the only good thing about Call of Duty. In my opinion. So. Hey look, the ship. The ship I can use to get off planet finally. And actually play this game without needing to worry about story progression.
Since you're now one of us, I thought it was time to get you a new ride.
Whoa, a Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret mission?
I call it Operation Falling Star.
This is not suspicious at all, Quark.
Congratulations, Cadet. You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Breck's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more seasoned Rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck. I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you arrive at Nebula G-34. I'm counting on you, Ratchet.
You got it, Captain.
To be fair, the ship is...
Finally have enough boats to buy him, Mr. Zircon.
Where are you... Aren't I supposed to be close to you before you say stuff? Anyway, to be fair, the ship is a lot cooler looking than the original. So I'll take it.
Where to next?
There is still an important gadget in Nebula G-34.
That's nice that Clank actually reminds you. So, yeah. Okay.
Infiltrating this facility will require advanced equipment. We should visit Wilgar to acquire it.
So... I guess I'm going to Iridia since it says I need to rescue Skidd.
Ready to commence Operation Falling Star?
So, Iridia's next. I think that's actually the same order as the original game. Like, it didn't tell you that you needed to do Iridia first, but...
Oh, Mr. Zircon just told me he wants to go home with you.
Wait, is that Skidd McMarx up ahead?
Oh, someone help me!
And since Mr. Zircon wants to come home with me,
Charm and personality that keeps
go ahead and
you
bring him home with me, I guess.
You won't regret it. Don't forget, let Mr. Zircon do the work for you.
Oh! Sand sharks! Oh man, am I happy you two dudes showed. I've been out here all night. I can't believe it, Skidd McMarx. I have seen every one of your races. You pulled off a triple Nova spin at Mach 2 at last year's Kerwin Cup. It's always good to meet a fan, little dude.
I am Clank. This is Ratchet. Your uncle received your infobot and asked us to assist you.
Oh, I was wondering if he got that. My agent and I have been running from those blog all night. Only we ended up getting separated in the chaos, and I took a gnarly fall getting out of the Skidd McMarx sports shack. Hey, think you dudes can clear out the sand sharks so I can get to my ship? Give me my hoverboard if you do.
Whoa, a real McMarx 4000? Consider it done.
Okay,
Okay,
watch out for those sand sharks, bro.
I'm pretty sure that's Skid's original voice, but it's just annoying me that we have shiny Skidd McMarx instead of Skidd McMarx. Because he was, what, purple in the original?
You got skill, little dude.
Come on, Mr. Zircon, level up.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Level up. Go.
That was awesome.
Flee and tell your friends
Enemy down.
You got skill, little dude.
Mr. Zircon.
I know I shouldn't really be grinding too much right now, but they're all one-shot kills and Mr. Zircon can take them out, so...
Whoa, that was awesome.
Yeah. This is going too slow. I'll just keep calling them out at least. Because the combustor's almost level 3 too, so... God, this game just looks so nice. Like, it's really surprising to me that this was only $40. That doesn't make any sense because it looks like a $60 game, so... From a distance, that sign looked like it was like two little robot guys. I don't know why, but... Zircon... Mr. Zircon's great too. Everything about this game is great.
I shall let you live.
You're doing great, dude. Just give more left. Hey, are you dudes like hungry? Because when this is over, I can go for some food. You know, like a cheeseburger and space pizza. I think Quark Scrub Grab still delivers this late.
I wasn't aware Quark owned a restaurant of some sort. What am I doing? Going backward, that's what I'm doing. So there is levels past 3. So maybe 5? I keep forgetting you can strafe. Yeah, that 5% drop rate increase for the cards definitely seems a little too much, but I'm not complaining.
That was pretty awesome. Thanks for your help. Here's your hoverboard.
Whoa, and it's autographed. To Ratchet and Clank, the chillest dudes I've ever hung out with on a hostile alien planet. Cool.
Will you be able to get home on your own?
I'll be okay, though I don't think I'll be able to compete in the Blackwater City hoverboard competition. Kind of a bummer, dude.
Well, I guess I'll just have to take your spot.
Little dude see my agent? I feel kind of bad leaving him out here. He doesn't do well with nature.
Also, nice, somewhat mostly human-looking rocket skid. And I do not remember how to get that gold bolt.
We should search the area for Skidd's agent.
But you don't have to worry about that. Yeah. Don't remember how to get over there. I think it has to do with going through that for one of the other things you have to do.
Attention, future consumer. While the Skidd McMarx Sports Shack appreciates your enthusiasm, you are now trespassing in a restricted area. Please vacate the construction site.
Okay, I'd like to know how... Oh, okay. I didn't realize his flames made a wave pattern. Well, I'm curious as to how many weapons are in this game. Because it seems like they took a lot from the entire series.
Uh-oh, reinforcements.
I wouldn't be too surprised if there were at least 30. For some reason I feel I'm wrong, but it's just me.
That's the last of them.
That was impressive.
Kind of wondering if they added any Easter eggs for...
Attention, future consumer. We thank you for your interest in the
modern
Skidd McMarx
PlayStation
Sports
games,
Shack.
so
However, your refusal
Last
to
of
leave
Us
has
and-
forced us to activate the Constructobots. Have a nice day.
and I'm just gonna bomb my footpath.
My sensors are picking up a strange energy signature
When I'm
near the
walking on it.
screenshot targets. I believe it may be a gadget from Trek Industries.
Alright, let's have a look around.
Well, considering I need that gadget to continue, it's probably that.
It's found in my store. Hey, it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be.
Oh, I guess I pushed enough enemies for that trophy. To be honest, I didn't know that trophy was a thing. I'll try out the proton drum when there's more enemies.
Slingshot course and even a 24-hour taco stand for this late-night munchie attack.
Keep coming!
So, Skidd definitely smokes pot,
Intrusion
right?
detected in Sector 4. Dispatching Constructobots. Attention, future consumer. The finest
basically a
selection of
skater,
hoverboards,
so-
rat bikes, and gyrocycles will not be in stock until next fall. The only thing waiting for you here is death.
Sassy AI.
Hey, Skidd McMarx here, and as you know, I'm a naturally talented hoverboard. You know what else is natural about me? Find out by visiting our herbal supplements department. You'll thank me later, man. No, seriously, you will.
Hello. That was a lot of bolts. And Zircon leveled up. Whoop. Okay. Are they glitched? Or... No, now they're not. I know it might get a little annoying with me constantly using the hover pack, but that's what I used to do in the old games, and it made you walk just that little bit faster. So that's just me, though. If you buy the game, you can play however you want.
Your client has information that belongs to Chairman Trek. Come on, don't make this hard on yourself. And no one gets hurt.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We can
Oh.
work this out, can't we?
Okay. I thought I could jump up, but I can't.
You to the sand sharks.
I missed all 3 shots because Zircon got him first.
Brutes are trying to kill me.
Good time to see what the proton drum does, I guess. Hit it. So that's an area of effect thing. That's cool, I guess.
More of them. Hey,
Let's take out the last one.
get them off my back, and I'll make you famous. Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports?
Is that your only suggestion? Oop, I didn't mean to do that. And one drum destroy it. Nope. Did I get hit from that? Really? Not even 2 drums. So hopefully the upgrades make that a lot more powerful.
I think that's all of them. Hey, you must be the 2 heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me, don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell.
I always wondered what happened to Plank after Ed and Eddie ended it.
Separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful, beautiful. You two have heart. I could sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
I better not just be getting the mag boots.
So where are you off to now?
Hospital, I guess. Gotta get this leg checked out.
A hospital? Skid, come on. You've been through worse. What are we gonna do about your sponsors?
I'm beginning to think you don't, like, care about me or whatever.
Fine. What about you, Renchi?
Ratchet.
Exactly. You want to be a hoverboard star? This infobot will give you all the details. Just tell him Don Wonderstar sent you.
It's that time again. The annual Blackwater City Hoverboard Competition on planet Rilgar. Are you a young thrill seeker looking to show off your hoverboard skills? Then blast on over to Rilgar and experience the pulse-pounding thrill of doing Mach 3 on a rocket-powered piece of plastic. How exciting is the race? Just listen to some of our previous champions.
I never miss the Blackwater City hoverboard competition, except for next year's. I probably won't make that one.
I can't feel my toes. Is that normal?
We're offering cash prizes and holo cards to the winners. So head to Planet Rilgar and take a shot at the most extreme sporting event in the galaxy. And try not to die.
Good warning, guys.
Wow, we just saved a celebrity. I want to check out that hoverboard competition.
And we'll...
Ratchet, we should explore the rest of the sports.
yeah, get to that hoverboard competition. And also look for the gadget. Because apparently I missed that. But we'll do that next time. So... bye-bye.